Okay, good evening guys. This is to update the system functionality. So as of yun is okay na tayo sa calibration. So for calibration purpose is meron ako ditong 3 bottles na kung saan nagtimpla tayo ng solution. So we have defined 3 sets of pH values based on the powder requirement. So we have 4.01, 6.86, and 9.18. So guys, with this, please consider some tolerance around 0.2 to 0 plus minus 0.2 to 0.3. So normal naman kasi as far as I know, pH values is varying with relates to the temperature. So yun po. So let's try. So sa ngayon, nakasawsaw ako sa 6.86. So nakakita ko ng 6.87 here. Okay, so let's try naman na ilipat ito sa 4.01 value. So sawsaw ko muna sa clean water. Okay, tapos so yan din sa 4.01. So yun, nasa 4 ang pH. So hintay-hintay lang ng kaunti since bumababa pa po yan. So kung makikita nyo merong sobra na 0.4, so please consider this as tolerance once you explain this to your advisor. So it's normal naman sa pagsukat ng pH level. So normally nga is wala dapat decimal point. So 0 to 14 lang dapat. So nilagay na lang din natin for some accuracy testing. So by the way, gagawin ko pa to tinimpla, so possible nagkakaroon din ng some pagbabago rin sa pH ng tubig. So hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero nasa level 4 pa rin siya. So try natin ilagay sa 9.18. So yun, nasa level 9. So with this, we can conclude na calibrated na yung ating pH meter based dun sa bottles na or sa solutions na tinimpla natin dun sa bottles. So okay na po ito, and we can transact the shipment by tomorrow po. Thank you.